all, welcome to my channel to see the Excel functions which is if condition. Today we are using. Here are some part numbers are there for that prices are there for 2019, 20, 21, 22. We have to ascertain now which is the latest price for this part numbers. Now you can see I cannot assign just like that. I cannot assign any cell for that. This is the latest price for Karkev. If it is a more part numbers, I cannot assign one cell to stating that this price is like this. What I am showing here is equal to करके डाल के मैं वो I cannot use any cell to tell that this is the latest price करके. If it is a long too many part numbers, like 4 part numbers are there, I can give. If it is a too many part numbers, I cannot give. For that I am using if condition now. If the last cell not equals to 0, then you print f, the same cell I am giving, comma, if not equals, you can see not equals to, you can see not equals to, I am using greater than and smaller than symbol, then 0, then print the e cell. If the d not equals to 0, then print the cell. If I can give here also formula also I can give, if not equals to c, then print c करके. Otherwise there is no other cells are there. I can give simply I can give comma, print that cell c cell करके, comma, print that c cell. Now I am closing all the brackets and I am giving OK. Yes, and then you can see the first part number recent price is 2145 which has come, and second for that is 1236 that has come, then third for that is 3354 which has come, and for fourth it is 5423 it will come. You can see you can use all these formulas in your other applications also where it is required to you. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel to get this type of functions to apply in your day-to-day transactions. Thank you very much for watching my. Hi everybody, we learn today how to use if conditions and different formats. Now here are some students' names are there and the marks are there what they have obtained. According to their marks we will give them a first class, second class, third class, like that distinction, like that things we will give. How we have to give that we will just see. I am giving if condition over here. If open the bracket, the mark cell less than or equal to 34, that means it's fail, like that we will give a comma, open the double quotes, fail we will mention comma. Another if condition we will give if the mark cell less than or equal to 49, we will print it as a third class, comma, if the mark cell less than or equal to 59, we'll mention it as comma, we'll mention it as second class, comma, if the mark cell less than or equal to 69, comma, we will make it as a first class. If all these condition fails, if by all this condition fails and above 70 is there, that itself it means distinction. Therefore we are not giving any formula, directly we will comma, we will put it as a distinction, or close the inverted commas, close all the brackets, 1 2 3 4, and you enter. Now you see 35 is a third class, it has come as a third class. Now 55 is a second class, it will come as a second class. 65 is a first class, it will come as a first class. And 34 itself, it says below 35 is a fail, it will come. And here it is above 80 is distinction, and above 95 is a 90 also is a distinction, it will come. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Keep on watching my videos for more Excel formulas.